you are representing USP because no other USP campuses are here yet. Okay, so USP Lambasa, I know you want to be, you be called Lambasa, okay. USP Bambasinga, Pilotoka. Okay, next to that PRS, can you sit next to USP?
Minaka, you can all now be seated. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Vinaka, we shall now call upon the President to celebrate this day. So not only us in Fiji, all over the universities in the world. So we are part of that. I think we need to celebrate and give ourselves a big round of applause.
This morning I am delighted to be here to mark the launch of International Day of University Sports, a tangled way in which we demonstrate that Fiji is serious and in sports, about sports, physical activity and healthy living. As we all understand, the 20th of September is the official day of International Day of University Sports. Among other days, it aims to confirm and the importance of sports in university and the role of university in the community of responsible actors for consolidating and developing quality physical and sports education at the service of citizens. The Fijian government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, ensure that we have an inclusive approach towards sports development in the country. We are ensuring that increasingly all Fijians receive equal access to sports and sporting facility regardless of gender, background or ability. The international, as we all understand, the International Day of University Sports is celebrated worldwide on the 20th of September and is officially endorsed by the United Nations Education, Science and Culture Organization, which is UNESCO. We thank UNESCO for the effort and what it has done to all students of university around the international arena. The International Day of University of Sports is an sporting underline the social role played by the university and their curricula, making sports available to everyone and to foster the regular practice of a physical activity in the greatest number of people. Here in Fiji, more than 137 teams will be involving themselves 3 days of sporting starting today. To me, this is no mean feat. It is a logistic nightmare and will require a proper planning, commitment, and by planners, by administrators, coaches and members of the community who come out in full support of their teams. This is a great example of university sporting, bringing communities together. And coordinating all this in Fiji is the Fiji University of Sports Federation. Universities are often the best place to enact meaningful change, with students already to lead the next generation. As we have heard from the President, that we require good leaders who are critical, who have the visionary, and this is where it all starts. The International Day of University of Sports taps into this well of energy and experience. This day is not about promoting competition, though it is about providing the outlet to inspire general physical activity to all. Sports can complement a student's studies, and there are studies that have been completed in Australia and other countries in the UK showing that students who play sports in university are more employable, and that is the fact. Some may say university students are our future. The International Day of University or University Sports is a way to brighter that future. With those few words, I declare the International of University Sports launch, and I would like to thank you again for participating, and may the best team win this morning. Shukran.